Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S10 FE, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the display. Then let's scroll down again to find the navigation bar, and as you can see here we've got the option we're looking for. So before we will set the gestures, we can tap on more options, and here we can customize the 3 buttons navigation. So for example, reorder the back button and the recent, and change the button position from the right to the left. It's totally up to you. But let me go back. Here we've got also the assistant app and circle to search. So let's swipe to gestures. Let's move to gestures. As you can see, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. You can tap on more options here connected with the gestures. You can change the gesture sensitivity to lower or higher, but to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. And you can also block gestures with S10, so it's totally up to you. It will help with drawing or writing. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from this finger or pen, of course, from side to the center until you'll see this arrow, and now you can release the finger. The same situation from the left side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center and make sure that this motion is quick and short, like that. And if you want to open the recent, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, like here. And here we've got the recent. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.